name is Eric Romero. I'm a HVAC tech and my program sponsor is MGP Mechanical. I've been in the program for it'll be 2 years coming up. I never knew what I wanted to do. So I started late. I used to work for food distribution. I did that for 9 years and it was graveyard and I had my kids and it wasn't for me anymore. I mean, if you start early, you can grow your skills so much in a couple of years that 25 years old, you can have your journeyman's license in whatever your trade you're interested in or whatever. Whenever I had the interview process with MGP Mechanical, they offered the apprenticeship program as a benefit, and I knew that's exactly what I wanted to do. So as soon as I was hired on, I jumped right in the program. When you go into school, after you just worked hands-on, you go in and you have your books and everything, and it's slowing everything down so you can actually see it step by step. And I think everybody's main goal after going through a trade is being licensed. So hopefully that's where I'll be towards the end of my program. I don't see myself doing anything else, honestly. So I definitely see myself growing and just learning more. I definitely see myself retiring from HVAC.